Welcome back to another episode of Al's Kitchen. This week is episode 2 of that Birmingham Balti style series. Did you watch my last episode? The black pepper chicken and mushroom Balti was amazing. I mean, it's already accumulated nearly 30,000 viewers. If you're one of those viewers, I really thank you from the bottom of my heart. This channel would be nothing without your support, your likes and your comments. So this is part 2, and this week we are going to be cooking a very popular curry, Balti style. It's going to be a garlic chili chicken Balti, Birmingham style. I've got some more good news. You know what the news is? Well, you know you make mixed powder in most of my curries and you have to buy all those different powders, go to the shop and you're like, oh, well, I can't find the cumin, or I can't find the coriander. Well, now you don't have to. Why? Because Al has put it all together for you. Look at that spice mix powder, Al's Kitchen recipe. You can buy these right now on Spicy Joe's website. I will be leaving the link in the description box below. So that's what I'm drinking. They're nice and golden, absolutely beautiful. I've actually got through half the box already of these. Not sponsored, but love to plug what I love. This is something that I love. Cut straight to the ingredients. Right, so we've got 4 green bird's eye chilies or 4 green finger chilies. I've got 30 grams of diced onion and 25 grams of red bell pepper. You can use green if you want. I've got 5 cloves of fresh garlic slice. As this is a garlic chili chicken, I want it to be really fresh. You're going to cook in the Balti bowl and you're going to eat out of the Balti bowl, so I really want it to be fresh. Try not to use any pastes or mixes. So 5 cloves of garlic. Right, what spices have we got? We've got a teaspoon of hot chili powder. You can use extra hot or mild, depends how hot you like your garlic chili chicken. Teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of Bassar mix powder, plug. You've got half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of tandoori masala, and at the very end of the curry we're going to use a pinch of cumin powder, a pinch of garam masala, a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of kasuri methi. Right, with the chicken, I've got about 200 grams of, I'm using chicken mini fillets, and with a Balti, because quite often in Birmingham you'll eat them with a naan bread and you mop them up by literally pinching the curry out of the bowl, you need small pieces of chicken. We're cooking the chicken from raw. If you want chicken tikka garlic chili chicken, pre-cook your chicken tikka as you usually would, chop it up, throw it in towards the end to heat it through as you would a normal BIR curry. Oh yeah, some coriander gets slung in and also to garnish. Right, so first we want to add some oil. Now remember, with a Balti, you need adequate amounts of oil because you don't want the curry to burn. It gets extremely hot. And if it doesn't get hot, you can't cook it the way a Balti should be cooked. You want to create some flames if you can. First of all goes in the onion, the red pepper and the chilies. Isn't that beautiful? And every time you produce flames like that, you're going to add some flavour to the Balti. So we want to cook those down. It's absolutely amazing. Well, if you've never had a Birmingham Balti, they're very different from normal Baltis. Usually if you go to a restaurant in the UK, they'll basically just cook your curry in a normal frying pan and transfer it to a lovely ornamental karai bowl or a Balti bowl, just for ornamentation. Looks pretty, but it's not a real Birmingham Balti. Birmingham is the operative word here. So fry those down for about a minute. Don't worry, it won't burn. I know obviously the flames look scary, but nothing to be afraid of. Right, now we're going to add the chicken. Beautiful, seared all that lovely beautiful chicken. Try and take bits off the edges of your Balti bowl because that's where it's most likely to burn on the edges. So keep it in the centre, in the oil. Absolutely amazing. This is what you'll find them doing in the kitchens of restaurants like Shababs in Birmingham. Right, once we've sealed the chicken, this is when we're going to put the spices in. I'm going to put all the spices together so they can go in all at one time, apart from the pinches that go into the end. So this is the tandoori masala, the chili powder and the Bassar mix. And we put the spices in later on because obviously Balti cooking is so hot, we don't want them to burn. So look, we coat all that chicken in the lovely spices. Garlic chili chicken is actually one of my all-time favourites. It's a reliable curry that you can go back to. Right, so now we're going to add 1 ladle of base gravy, that's 75ml. Cheers everyone, here's to you and your health. Right, half a ladle more of base gravy. Yeah. Right, now we want to throw in some coriander. Well, just before we finish, salt, pinch of garam masala, pinch of cumin powder, pinch of black pepper and a pinch of kasuri methi. That's it, and that's done. So turn all the flames out. Now, you can do this on a domestic hob. Just take it slower, take your time. Obviously, you're not going to get all the flames, the intensity. Just take your time with the heat as you would cooking a normal BIR curry. So this is made. Naan bread, love. Thank you, darling. Got a lovely naan bread popped out my window. Right, I'm going to give this a taste test now, right now. I mean, obviously it's piping up, but I'm going to give it a go. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my God, that is so rich. It's got lovely intense flavours. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. You will not be disappointed with this. If you love garlic chili chicken, you're going to adore this curry. Have it with your favourite beer, a lovely chili naan or a garlic naan if you want to increase your pleasure. It's been my pleasure cooking this for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section below. Do you prefer garlic chili chicken or a madras? Because madras might be my next video. Right, that's my job done now. Go and buy some mixed powder. I'm out, and I'm out of here. I'm not touching that bowl yet, it's far too hot. Bye.